Today's class IELTS vocabulary for writing test. Today's class is start for the synonym and antonym of increase and decreasing. It is the very important for IELTS reading writing text for part 1. Writing text 1, it is very important for when we write GovStat. It is very important for GovStat. In the GovStat we use increase and decreasing in the percentage uses of the GovStat. When we use this similar word such as increase, this is the similar word rise. First we use increase, then we use rise, then thirdly we use grow, fourthly we use enlarge, climb, improve, spread, expand rapidly, mold up, expanded. This is the similar word we can use in this writing text. Not we use the same word, we can use others word. Suppose first we use similar, then the number of cars is on increasing. The number of cars is on the increasing. Business will increase largely. Business will increase largely. Tourists have increased in number. Having heard there would certainly increase his employment. Accidents have increased in number. Security was spread in city. Security was spent in city. The price of everything enlarged. The price was everything enlarged. We use, this is the enlarged. The price was brings us back to the thousand-fold increase in the wealth which the world will soon experience. The price of everything enlarged. Production has remarkable increased. He demanded that his salary be built up. The export of cotton has increased. First in rice, that is the we used in rice, then we use in grow, enlarge, climb, improve, spread, build up, widen, expand rapidly. But we use the similar word, not we use similar word, but we try to use this is the increased other similar word. That's the similarly we used when in the decreasing use in reduce, drop, grow smaller, let up, sink, die down, sink, grow less, become smaller, subside, decline, abate, diminish and decline. It is the very important for test. When we used in the decreasing was the use decrease of with a number of percentage. When you want to talk about the amount by which something decreases. These the emissions show a decrease of 20% over the past 5 years. When you use in drop, the percentage or the process of becoming less or the amount by which something is less. Or grow smaller, grow smaller in the number of violent crimes. So decrease of the profits were 1 million, which is a decrease of 5%. 20%. But this emission show a decrease of 21% over the past 5 years. But decrease suggests a progressive decline in the size, amount, number or intensity. So grow is smaller suggests decline in the amount rather than in number. When we used in the similar word, when we writing text 1, there is show a graph chart. Graph chart we use when we firstly use in decreasing, then we secondly use grow smaller, then we use in lie down, then we use sink, grow less, become smaller, decline, subside, diminish, abate, decline. And when and diminish implies a perceptible loss and implies its subtraction from a total. Reduce implies a bringing down or lowering. Abate, when we used in abate, this is the use in abate. When used in abate, the abate implies a reducing of something excessive or oppressive in force or amount. This is the similar and opposite word in the text. It is very important for IELTS writing text, and when we used the word in use not to similar word and use another word, we're trying to another word, it is the increase the high score band. So everybody, thanks for this watching of video.